So good afternoon to one and all. We have already started the DC circuit and we have already discussed some basics of Ohm's law, open circuit, short circuit, and some Kirchhoff's laws, Kirchhoff's voltage law, current law, and all the things. Now we'll go for the next topic, that is in the DC circuits. Again, some connections are there. That is the resistances we have already discussed. Those resistances by connecting in series and parallel, what will happen in the circuit? That one we are going to discuss here now. Is it audible, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh. So we know the definition of DC circuit. It is a closed conducting path followed by direct current is called DC circuit. So this is the DC circuit. We already know that one. So in this DC circuit, the applied voltage is there, connecting wires are there. Applied voltage, connecting wires, and resistance is there. So that resistance, based on this resistance, how we are connecting, this is only one load resistance is there. If two or more resistances are there, they are connecting in series or parallel. Based on that one, the different ways of connection, we are going to tell that one. If the resistances are connected in series, that one we are going to consider a DC circuit. If the resistances are connected in parallel, then that circuit we are going to call as parallel DC circuit. So combination of series and parallel also we are going to discuss here now. One resistance in series, another one in parallel, again one in series here now. This is the load resistance. Based on this one, so two more resistances we are going to consider here now. This is simple circuit. One voltage is total voltage drop, means total voltage, total resistance we are going to consider here now. One, ये टोटल रेजिस्टेंस सपोज 10 ओम है, सोचो दिस 10 ओम को स्प्लिट करने का भी 1 ओम का 10 रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमने, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद. So those all things we are going to discuss here. So in DC circuit, load resistance are connected in different ways. Based on DC circuit can be classified into three types. That is the series. If the resistance load resistances are connected in series, then we are going to consider that one as series DC circuit. If the load resistances are connected in parallel, then that one is parallel DC circuit. If the resistances are connected in combination of parallel and series, then that one we are going to consider a series parallel combination. Both we are going to discuss here now. Roll number 3364. What is the time? First one here, three circuits are there. One by one we will discuss here now. Three circuits. The first one I will consider series circuits. Series circuit I am going to consider. This is series DC circuits we are going to discuss here now. So the statement of series circuit is the DC circuit in which resistances are connected end to end, so that there is only one path for current to flow is called a series circuit. We are going to call that. It is called a series DC circuit. Here one resistance is there. How many ends are there? One end, second end. So this second end is connected to again to the first end of the second resistance. Next, this second end is connected to the first end of the resistance here now. So end to end we are going to call that one. This end to this end, this end to this end. That one we are going to call as series circuit. We are going to call that one. Starting only before sliding that one. See here, this is one resistance is connected here. Next resistance from this point to it, we should have to continue here now. We are going to consider that one. Second, it is connecting. Next one, next end it is going to connect. So the left terminal, this and this should connect to the supply voltage that is here now. All are joined together. Based on this, the current direction we have to mark here now. So only one path is there here now. Only one path is there, means one current will flow here now. Is there any parallel path here? No parallel path. So only one path is there. Here The resistances R1 is there. From the voltage, this supply voltage, whatever the current will be produces, that current will start to flow from positive terminal of the supply voltage here. No battery, first to supply of the battery, it will start to flow, and it will reaches to the R1. And what is some drops this RI into R1, the V1 we are going to consider here. No, IR1 is a V1 here. No, the current is flowing here is which current? I only. So I R1 equal to V1. Next, after that one, same current will flow here, then it will flow through the resistance R2. So I into R2 equal to V2. I equal to R2 equal to V2. Next here, same current will flow R3. R3 into I is nothing but V3 equal to. So the current will come back to the negative terminal. You can write this one as, because of this battery supply, the I is created here. No, the current flowing through the R1 is I1. Current flowing through the R2 is I2. Current flowing through the R3 is I3. You can consider here. No, but here the whatever the current is flowing, same current is flowing here, means I equal to I1 equal to I2 equal to I3. You can write down. That is also correct here. So consider three resistances. Three resistances consider here: R1, R2, R3. So three resistances are connected in series, one end to another end, one end to another end. It is connected here now, one end to another end. So it is not same end, first end and first end not connected here now. This end, one end, first, second end to first end, second end to first end. So one end to another end, it is connected end to end. So that one, all are connected in series. We are going to consider here. So the voltage, battery voltage is there. This voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We can say that one. This is the total voltage. This total voltage is splitted into this one here now. So R1, whatever the voltage drop will occurs here, R1, that is V1. Voltage drop across this one is V2. Voltage drop across this one is V3. We are going to consider. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. First you take the heading. Before this, we will discuss about the next heading. Don't take the heading, directly write that one. In a DC circuit, in DC circuit, in DC circuit, load resistances are connected in different ways. Load resistances are connected in different ways, based on DC circuit, based on DC circuit, based on DC circuit, based on DC circuit can be classified into three types. Can be classified into three types. Number one, series DC circuit. Series DC circuit. Number two, parallel DC circuit. Parallel DC circuit. Number three, series parallel DC circuit. Series parallel DC circuit. Okay. Take the first heading. Take the first heading. Series circuit. Number one, series DC circuit. You take that one. Write the statement and this diagram also. Roll number 22. Roll number 28. What is the time now? Rule number 23 also. Take the first heading, series DC circuit. Statement is nothing but definition of series circuit is a DC circuit in which resistances are connected end to end so that there is only one path for current to flow is called a series DC circuit. Full point double rated comma complete. Next line you can write down. Consider three resistances R1, R2 and R3 ohm connected in series across a battery. This is the battery. These are the three resistances connected on in series here now across the battery of V volts as shown in figure below here now. This is the V volts we are going to consider. Over. Is it over?
No, sir.
Wait, sir.
Once it is over means just let me know.
Finish, sir.
Finish it. Okay. So next, a series DC circuit. How the current is flowing here now? See here. This is the current is flowing here now. So the current I is flowing from the this voltage. It will flow here the dotted line R1 through R1 next R3 like that. It is going to flow here. So whatever the total voltage is there, that voltage, some voltage drop will occur here, some voltage drop will occur here, some voltage drop will occur here. For example, I will tell you one example, best example here now. Suppose आपके घर में 4 मेंबर्स का एक फैमिली है, पापा मम्मी तुम और तुम्हारा ब्रदर सोचो अभी, your brother is there. So your father is earning 40,000 salary, 40,000 salary. That is nothing but total voltage we are going to call that one. Total voltage here now. So that income I is nothing but income is flowing like that. This person into that income, whatever the voltage drop. Suppose your mother for the household work, she will take 10,000 rupees here. So that drops is voltage drop is 10,000 like that. Next you will take for your education purpose, you can take 10,000 here. Your sister for her work or whatever the expenditure, she will take 10,000. Whatever the left is there, that 10,000 your father may use for your next for the future purposes they are going to consider. Otherwise 30,000 is the total 30,000. This person will 10,000, this person is 10,000, this person is 3 members only, 3 resistances are there. So that 30,000, 10,000 plus 10,000, 10,000 here now. Total drops here now. Either drop हो रहा है, इधर drop हो रहा है, इधर drop हो रहा है. Equal to this summation of V1, V2, V3 equal to V, we can tell that. Total income equal to expenditure of yours, your mother and your brother, like that. समझ में आया अभी? आपका पिताजी को 30,000 सैलरी है, आपको 10,000, आपका ब्रदर को 10,000, आपको मम्मी के लिए 10,000 दे रहे हो. So सबका 10 plus 10 plus 10 consider किया 30,000 होगा ना. That 30,000 is nothing but your voltage we are going to consider here. Total voltage, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is total resistance we have to calculate. The voltage drop we have considered here now. I into R1 equal to 10,000, I into R2, I into R3 like that. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes,
current
sir.
is flowing here now. So 3 resistances are connected here now in series. We will take the derivation. So from this diagram, we can clear that there is only one path for the current. एक ही पाथ है ना. अभी करंट इधर तक गए, फिर इधर कुछ तो लाइन है, इधर करंट फ्लो होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है ना. Only one path is there here. So same only one path is there. It is going to, it's a closed conducting path. One path we are going to consider. There is only one path for current to flow in the circuit. So by Ohm's law, voltage across each resistors, voltage across R1, voltage across R3, R2, voltage across R3, we have to consider here. Voltage across V, voltage across resistance R1 is nothing but voltage drop across this one. V equal to what? According to Ohm's law.
IR.
IR. The current flowing here is I only. What is the R here now? R1. So V1, this voltage drop across this one, we will consider as V1 equal to IR1, we can write down. V1 equal to IR1. Next, similarly, V2 equal to IR2, we can write down here, right? V2 equal to IR2. Similarly, V3 equal to IR3, we can write down here. So this is, suppose n numbers of resistances you can connected in series. The voltage drop across each resistance will be different, but the current will be same. Current will be same in the series circuit here now. You remember that one. Single path is there, means single current will flow here. So here V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2, V3 equal to IR3 we are going to consider. Now applied voltage, this is the total voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to write, वो भी confuse हो गए. सोचो Kirchhoff's voltage law है, this R I minus 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 the clockwise direction we consider. Suppose we have considered clockwise direction here. This minus V1 we can write down, minus V1 minus V2 minus V3, the end sign is plus V. When I will send into V1 V2 V3 minus and RHS को भेज दिया तो plus हो गए. So V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Same way, so many methods are there to write the equation here now. But in the series circuit, the voltage, total voltage is subdivided into each resistance, the sum drops will occur. So all the summation of the voltage drop across each resistance is equal to the total applied voltage. You can tell that. So now applied voltage is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We can tell that one. Yes. You can write down or not this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what you do? You kept out same as it is. But V1, what is the formula for V1? This is
IR1.
IR1. You substitute V1 equal to IR1. Here IR2. Here IR3. You can write down. So IR1, IR2, IR3. You can write down over there. You can write down over there. So from this one, from this equation, we can take here also I is there. Here also I is there. Here also I is there. You can take outside I. You can take as a common. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will take I common, I will take that one. I common, I will take down R1 plus R2 plus R3. I will write down that. So next formula, we know that one. Here only we can write down. According to Ohm's law, V equal to what?
V equal to
IR hai. So here the V is nothing but what? Total applied voltage. Yes. Total voltage बोल रहे हैं ना हम, V equal to.
Yes, sir.
So total voltage equal to, what is this? I is nothing but total current here now. Total current. So this R1 plus R2 plus R3, we can place this one as RT. RT is nothing but R total, we can consider that one. Total resistance of this circuit is RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We can write down. Total current of this circuit is I only. Total voltage of this one is, this is the total voltage applied here. That is we can write. So this one V equal to I RT we can write down. R this I they have sent into LHS side. V by I हो गए हो. V by I हो गए. So
Yes,
this
sir.
one R1 plus R2 plus R3 in the form of resistance, they have calculated that one, where V by I is the total resistance of the circuit. It is denoted by R equivalent or R total or R yes. Total series resistance को RS consider कर सकते हैं. RT is nothing but total resistance. R equivalent means equivalent resistance of this circuit. We can tell that. इसमें कौन सा भी यूज कर सकते हैं, R equivalent, RT and RS. I will use that one RT only. Total resistance मैंने यूज करता हूँ. V by I equal to RT. So RT क्या हो गया अभी? This part R1 plus R2 plus RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if any series circuit is there, then suppose we have to calculate the current. Calculation करना है हमको. ये resistance मालूम है, ये resistance मालूम है, ये resistance मालूम है. Then first what we have to do, we have to calculate total resistance. RT calculation करने का applied voltage दिया वाला रहते हैं, I equal to V by RT. V by RT substitute कर देने. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the main characteristics. I will tell you later. You can take that one where we have stopped here only, na? This one. ये हो गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
This one is over?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Take the diagram. This diagram you take down. Already I think you have taken the diagram also. एक बार
Yes, sir.
डायग्राम लिए तो जरूरत नहीं, डायग्राम और एक बार डायग्राम लेने की जरूरत नहीं. Direct you write down from the above diagram. From the above diagram. From the above diagram. It is clear that. It is clear that. It's clear that only one path. It is clear that only one path for current I. For current in bracket I you write down. For current I to flow in the circuit. To flow in the circuit. Full point. Full point. By Ohm's law, next line written by Ohm's law. By Ohm's law, voltage across each resistor is voltage across each resistor is V1 equal to IR1. V1 equal to IR1. V2 equal to IR2. V2 equal to IR2. V3 equal to IR3. V3 equal to IR3. Equal to IR3. Full point. Next line. Now applied voltage is. Now applied voltage is. Don't take the circuit diagram, directly write down. Now applied voltage is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Then V equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Up to here you continue. Shubham More, what is your roll number?
Sir.
How much?
50.
50. What is the time now? Roll number 20. You also late. See, it's a big loss for you peoples only. Now you will join, you will not understand anything. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So V by I equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, tell that one here. So then next line write down where V by I is the total resistance of the circuit, where V by I is the total resistance of the circuit. It is denoted by R equivalent or RT or RS. Shubham More. Shubham, what you are writing over the screen? I told you to note down the nodes. Clear it immediately. Don't do like that one. Your name will be displaying here. Now Shubham More is drawing something. Roll number 50. Speak out. रिप्लाई दे दो, नहीं ये तो मैं एचओडी को कंप्लेंट कर देता हूँ अभी. Roll number 50 is present. Where V by I is the total resistance of the circuit. Full point. It is denoted by R equivalent or RT or RS. Next, V by I equal to RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next line, write down. Therefore, write R equivalent equal to RT equal to RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next line, write down. Therefore, R equivalent equal to RT equal to RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Over?
Yes, sir.
So this is the series circuit. We can say that one here, no? So some characteristics of series circuits are there based on the previous discussion, whatever we have discussed now. Based on that one, we can say that one. How many currents are flowing in the circuit, series circuit? Only one current is flowing. So suppose four resistances are connected in series. So each resistance same current will flow, or other different currents will flow?
Same current flow.
Same current will flow. So the current in each resistor is same here now. But the voltage drop across in each resistance is same or different?
Different.
The resistance, four resistances are connected in series. The voltage drop across each resistance is different or same?
Different.
Why? क्यों different रहते?
Same, sir.
करंट सेम रहते हैं तो वोल्टेज कैसे डिफरेंस हो जाएगा? देखो इधर ही स्टक होगा. एक ही क्वेश्चन, सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ये एमसीक्यू में भी आ सकते हैं. Listen, three resistances are connected in series. Okay, all three resistances, the same current will flow. Okay, what about the voltage drop across each resistance? Is it same or different?
Same, sir.
Same. Next, any other answers? How? Same means how, different means how? How I am asking that one? 5, what is the reason you tell?
Resistance different होगा sir.
उसके लिए different रहते क्या same रहते?
Different.
See, if the, what do you mean by voltage formula? V equal to IR. V equal to IR. The current may be same, but resistance is not same here now. R1 different रह सकते, R2 different रह सकते, R3 different रह सकते. Because of that different resistor, the voltage drop will be different here now. Simple thing है. Current same रहने दो, but voltage how will get? Product of resistance and current here now. Current is same for each resistances. but resistances are not same. R1 may be 5 ohm, R2 may be 10 ohm, R3 may be 6 ohm, like that. So because of that, voltage drop across each resistance will be different. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
That is
sir.
also characteristics. The second one, the total resistance in the circuit is equal to sum of individual resistance plus internal resistance of the cell if any here. Now suppose total resistance कैसे कैलकुलेशन करते हैं, कितना रेजिस्टेंसेस सीरीज में कनेक्शन किए, सब रेजिस्टेंसेस आर, suppose so 4 resistances are connected in series, so R equal total resistance is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, you can say that one, as well as plus if any resistances, if any devices are connected, it has some resistances means, then that one also we can add that one here as a R5 also. So total individual resistance we have to do summation here. So RT equal to summation of R we can consider here. Next, voltage drop across any resistor is directly proportional to the resistance of that resistor here. वोल्टेज ड्रॉप उसका रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं, रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज है तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज रहे तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप विल बी डिक्रीज. So the total resistance of the circuit is always more than the largest resistance in the circuit. Total resistance जास्त रहते हैं, कैसे जास्त रहते हैं, अभी three resistances are connected in series here now. So एक रेजिस्टेंस 5 है, एक रेजिस्टेंस 6 है, एक रेजिस्टेंस 10 है. हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो गया, 10 ओम. 10 ओम इज द मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस, बट टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितना होगा,
21.
So total resistance is always greater than or more than largest resistance. The largest resistance value is 10 ohm, but the total resistance is 21 ohm because summation of each resistance we are doing here. And last characteristic is the applied voltage is equal to the sum of voltage drop across each resistance here. So applied voltage means V, total V is the summation of voltage drop across each resistance, V1 plus, V2 plus, V3 plus, V4, like that we are going to tell that. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, note down this one then. Where we have stopped, dictation किधर stop किए? Up to his, this point is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next you write down. Main characteristics of series DC circuits, you take the heading. Main characteristics of series DC circuits are, main characteristics of DC circuits are, series DC circuits are, first one, number one, you write down, the current in each resistor is same. The current in each resistance is same. Each resistance is same. Second one, total resistance in the circuit is equal to, total resistance in the circuit is equal to, total resistance in the circuit is equal to sum of individual resistance, sum of individual resistance plus internal resistance of the cell, plus internal resistance of the cell if any, कुछ any device से ऐड किया तो उसका internal resistance भी हम ऐड करना है, plus internal resistance of the cell if any full point. if any means कौन सा भी एक है तो full point. So the voltage drop across any resistor is directly proportional to the third one. The voltage drop across any resistor is directly proportional to the resistance of that resistor, directly proportional to the resistance of that resistor, because full point. Okay, क्यों ऐसा हो जाएगा? Current is same but resistance कितना change increase है तो voltage drop will be increased, resistance is decreased, then resistance voltage drop will be decreased. So R is directly proportional to V, they are telling here now in series circuit. Fourth one, the total resistance of the circuit is always more than largest resistance in the circuit, more than largest resistance in the circuit, largest resistance in the circuit. Full point. Number 5, the applied voltage is equal to the sum of voltage drops across each resistances. Full point. So these are the characteristics of the DC series circuit here. Series DC circuits characteristics are there. So next we will take some examples. We will take down here now. We'll take some examples. We'll take down. The screen is visible.
No, sir.
Screen is not visible.
No, sir.
नहीं ये PPT visible नहीं है क्या?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
visible.
Then that is on the screen. No, we are telling that one. We'll stop sharing here. Then you may switch on the camera. Paper is visible. Is the paper visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
No, we
Yes.
check it. Yes. It is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Some people's meanwhile you will talk, for that reason it will go. So some examples we will take that one. You take, suppose same diagram I will consider R1, R2, R3. Here I will give the voltage drop across this one. This is V equal to 10 volts. R1 equal to 5 ohm. R2 equal to 6 ohm. R3 equal to 9 ohm. Find the current here now. Find current. Find total current. Should find that one. Yes. Is it visible paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So according to Ohm's law, we know that one V equal to IR. Yes. R
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but total resistance. We know the value of V, 10 volts. We know the value of I. No, we have to identify. We know the value of R, total resistance we can calculate.
Yes.
So to get the R T equal to, I will consider this one. I will write this one as total resistance of the circuit here. RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to 5 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 20 ohm. Yes, equal to 20 ohm. Now I equal to V by R. V equal to 10, R equal to 20. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 ampere here. 0.5 ampere now here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Total current कितना flow हो रहा है? I equal to 0.5.
0.5 ampere.
Now you find, tell me V1 equal to what? V2 equal to what? V3 equal to what?
P1 is equal
Voltage
to
drop
IR1.
across this one, voltage drop across this one, voltage drop across this one. So V1 equal to IR1. I equal to 1 by 2. R1 equal to 5 here now. So 2.5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
V2 equal to IR2. I is nothing but 1 by 2. R2 equal to 6 is nothing but 3 volt. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
V3 equal to IR3. I is 1 by 2. R3 is 9 is nothing but 4.5 volt. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can
Yes,
check that
sir.
one. The voltage drop of each resistance equal to the total voltage. Total voltage is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. You can take that one. V1 is 2.5. V2 equal to 3. V3 equal to 4.5. How much it is? 2.5 plus 3?
10.
5.5. 9.5 plus 0.5 is nothing but 10 volts. V equal to 10 volts. Fine, already there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Also satisfied. So this is the simple method of series circuit. You can tell that one. Is it clear? See, in one example,
Yes.
I told you how to
Yes,
calculate I, and we can calculate V1, V2, V3 also you can calculate here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simple one more problem I'll give. You can tell me the answer. I will tell here. If three resistances are connected in series only, I'll give the value of this voltage. V equal to 20 volts. I equal to 5 ampere. R1 equal to 10 ohm. R2 equal to question mark. R3 equal to 4 ohm. Calculate R2. R2 calculation करो. Simple problem. Any one of you can do that one.
Minus 10.
R2 equal to minus 10. Minus 10 ohm. We will check that one later. How you are telling minus 10? Okay. Any other answers? Any other answers? No, don't. Take it. So for the series circuit, V equal to IRT. We know the formula. We know the value of V, we know the value of I. We have to calculate RT now. RT equal to V by I. V equal to 20, I equal to 5, equal to 4. Okay. So 4 ohm is the total resistance. 4 ohm is the total resistance. So RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yes. So RT equal to how much? 4. R1 equal to 10 दिया है. Plus R2 is question mark है. Plus R3 equal to 4 ohm है. When I will send this 4 into this side, it will become, so R2 equal to, this 4 I will keep as it is, minus 4 minus 10. So 4 gets cancelled. Minus 10 is the correct answer. Correct. RT equal to minus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear high, so only one person is giving the answer. Other people should try to give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more examples. R1, R2, R3, R4. This is V. The current flowing here is I will consider here. So this one I will tell that one as 4 ohm. This is 6 ohm, 12 ohm, and 20 ohm. The current is 5 ampere. So find V. Voltage calculation kar. Total applied voltage कितना है? Find total applied voltage.
210.
210.
210. Next, any others? All people should do calculation.
Two hundred ten.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
How much?
210.
210.
We know that one V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. How many resistances are there? 4 resistances are there. Yes. So I into R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 formula. So I into total RT we can calculate here. So RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 you write down. 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20. How much it is? 10, 22, 44.
42.
कितना?
42.
42.
2 ओम हो गए. So I equal to हमारे पास already मालूम है 5 ampere and into 42. How much it is?
210.
210 volt is the correct answer. Correct answer. Similarly, we'll write one more. We'll take one more problem. Take this one. V equal to 37. R1 equal to 5 ohm. R2 equal to 6. R3 equal to question mark. And this V1 equal to 10 ohm. Sorry, 10 volt. V2 equal to 12. V3 equal to 15. Calculate here. Yes. Yes, simple. Within 10 seconds, you can tell the answer.
6 ohm.
6 ohm. Wrong.
0.75.
0.75. I think wrong.
7.5.
7.5 may be correct.
7.5.
7.5. See, some people ये वैल्यू दिया है, ये दिया है, इतना दिया है, V इक्वल टू IR फार्मूला कैलकुलेशन कर रहे थे हम लोग, टोटल वोल्टेज, टोटल करंट, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Simple methods are there. Okay, we don't know the value of RT also. We don't know the value of RT, but RT equal to V by I कैलकुलेशन कर सकते? 37/2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये हो गया. इसका ये करके RT कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद R3 इक्वल टू RT माइनस R1 माइनस R2, इधर आंसर आ जाएगा. यस, बिकॉज RT इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 है. सो R3 इक्वल टू, ये RHS साइड भेज दो ना, LHS साइड, RT माइनस R1 माइनस R2 हो गए. ये एक मेथड
P3
है.
is equal to IR3 direct.
नहीं, जस्ट वही बोल रहा हूँ मैंने, ये एक मेथड है, सब लोग यही मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं. बट हियर V3 equal to 15 volt he has given. The current flowing here is 2 ampere he is even given. We know the formula of V3 equal to IR3. V3 is given, I is given. We can write directly R3 equal to V3 by I here now. V3 is 15, I equal to 2, that is directly 7.5 ampere. ये झंझट को नहीं जाने का भी. Direct method is there. This value he has given for your confusing purpose only. Means I have given means confusing purpose. This here we have considered, then we have to calculate total resistance, then we have to calculate RT. That is lengthy process. Direct method we can use here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the series circuit we have discussed today. We will stop here only, and tomorrow we'll continue for the series circuit applications only, where we are going to use this series circuit. And I will ask some questions on series circuit. You have to remember the characteristics, because when we will start the parallel circuit, the characteristics of parallel circuit is dead opposite to the series circuit. So whatever the characteristics we have studied, that is opposite of that one will comes for the parallel circuit. So we'll stop here only, and we'll continue in the next class.